Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Pepe. I know you guys are probably wondering what is going on right now. A massive bloodbath across the board. Not just Pepe, the entire market has been hit. So what exactly is happening? How are we going to see, the prices really go as we do go further into the month of June? Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Just, want to apologize to you guys that I couldn't make this video earlier because I just wasn't available at home today. So as soon as I got home today, the first thing I did was to get this update out for you guys. So if we're looking at Pepe right now, you guys can see there's still about 5 zeros in front of the price right now. We're currently sitting at 103, down 17% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 12% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, you guys can see the market cap is approaching the May 12th M cap that we have seen after that massive sell-off. Then we're currently sitting at $436.6 million market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 165.1 million. But now let's shift our focus towards the price and the overall news that's revolving around the crypto space. So if we're looking at Pepe's overall following, we're currently sitting at about the same amount of followers as we were yesterday. If there's any sort of tweets that we could note is of course this one, which is breaking: SEC sues Binance and CEO, which is CZ, citing U.S. securities law violation. So, I believe this is what has triggered the cryptocurrency market to plummet towards the downside. Reason being, Binance has made itself as one of the biggest, if not the biggest exchange in the cryptocurrency market, and having such, negative news coming around it can affect the price, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. So if we're looking at, Pepe's overall holder count, 116,000 holders. So the holders are still around the same. Of course we're going to see a little bit of a pullback, especially when we do see a bloodbath across the board, and people do tend to sell and get into stable coins because they think we're going to see a massive sell-off continuation. So that could be the reason as to why we're seeing a little bit of a downwards trend in the overall holder count. But overall, if we look at it from the bigger picture, we're still holding really strong in terms of holders. But of course, you guys know what you guys are here for right now. You guys are here for the price, see what is happening with the price and where we could really be going in the immediate short term. But of course, guys, before we get into the price, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at its market cap, $433.3 million, seen quite a significant dip happen within the price. And the craziest thing is that we have gone below, we saw the price go below the May 12th prices. We did see the market cap and the price also go down to that 953 cents. So we killed we gained another zero, so we had about 6 zeros in front of the price. But we did see a bounce back from that level, as we would expect, because that was a strong level of support, which also dates back to early May, and we have seen the price bounce back up about 10%. But now comes the question, what is really next? Could this be really the time for us to start worrying? Could we see the cryptocurrency market really plummet towards the downside? What exactly is going on? And we're going to shift our focus towards the price of Bitcoin. And honestly, guys, if you guys are a follower on my channel on a regular basis, you guys know I've been emphasizing this on a daily basis, that Bitcoin has a chance to go down to $25,000. And right now, you guys can see this for yourself. We're very close to see the price really retest that level of support, which still is good for the crypto space because it still puts us in an upwards trajectory, because we have still created a higher high and a higher low. So that still means the price of BTC is in an upwards trajectory. The reason as to why I really do think that Binance I'm sorry, the reason as to why Bitcoin has seen a retracement and so goes for the entire markets too. Look across the board over the last 24 hours, a massive sell-off happening within the crypto space, and that mainly is because of Binance and how SEC has sued Binance. It doesn't make any sense. First they sued XRP, now they're suing Binance. It's like they don't want crypto to succeed, and that is the case. We've known this from the beginning. They just do not want cryptocurrencies to succeed, because guess what? They know the potential risk factor that's involved when it comes to cryptocurrency adoption, and of course they are going to do whatever it takes to not have this succeed. But now comes the question, the $1 million question. Is this the end? Absolutely not. Of course, again, that's my own personal opinion, but Bitcoin is an asset class that's here to stay. People can make a statement, Bitcoin is a digital gold or it's not a digital gold. It is here to stay. It's seen as an asset class. All the big institutional investors that never wanted to touch Bitcoin beforehand are talking about Bitcoin, are implementing Bitcoin within their platforms. Nothing can stop Bitcoin. But these exchanges can be stopped, and this is why I always emphasize you never want to be locking or really putting your hard-earned money on these exchanges, because they're centralized. You don't own your private key, so just have short-term trading to be done on there. But if you're for the long haul, you always want to be keeping it on their hardware wallet. So of course now we're going to be really focusing on this lawsuit to really give you guys updates as to what really is happening, and that can trigger the entire market, guys. Unfortunately, of course, no one wants to hear this, but this is the risk factor. When you invest in crypto, you have to bear the risk. There's some things that are out of people's control, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. So hopefully we do hear some positive news come out of this, but of course this is really huge news, especially now the SEC is coming against Binance. So I would really like to see what Binance says about this, and of course I will keep you guys updated. And BTC dominance on the other hand is pulling down. It's actually helping altcoins not bleed that hard. If BTC dominance was still around here, I expect that altcoins would have gone down way harder compared to Bitcoin right now. So Pepe is holding at some very critical price levels, but of course we would love to see Pepe actually hold around here. If Pepe drops below this, guys, then there is a strong likelihood that we could see more downside for Pepe and of course the entire crypto space. So it's very important to see how things play out over the next few days. I will keep you guys updated. Let me know if you guys want to see more updates on, of course, Pepe and the Binance overall news. I will keep you guys updated on a daily basis. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below your personal thoughts. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.